Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. It is Wednesday, the 23rd of April, and we're doing a little midweek haul over at Walgreens where we're just going to dissect some deals, 1, 2, 3, to get the cheapest stuff going. But the first thing we're going to do is talk about Easter clearance. And for a lot of you that are like, yeah, 50% really doesn't excite me, if you look at the signs, see how it says right there where the arrow is for 27.25. And that is Sunday. So my prediction is that for both the candy and general merchandise, that on Monday the 28th, it's going to hit 70% off. And a lot of this stuff is just not moving. People are not interested in this. So my prediction is this. I have a friend on Instagram who does a lot of these different clearancing lists. I'm not going to mention her by name, but her and I were talking earlier in the week, and she thinks maybe by Friday it might go even more. But according to the signage, I'm predicting Monday the 28th, it's going to hit 70% off. And just to give you a little peekaloo here, look at this. I shot this yesterday. Nothing is moving. And with candy, it's a perishable. Some Walgreens actually donate all of it to like a food bank, but a lot of it gets thrown in the dumpster. So this sort of stuff, because they want the room for fun in the sun, summer stuff, they're going to aggressively mark this down. In the comments down below, let me know, do you think it's going to be Friday or my prediction of next Monday? It's going to be 70% off. And then after that, is it going to go 80, 90? Hey, maybe it'll go right to 90 very quickly the next week, but they want this stuff gone because it's taking a lot of room. Like, look at this. Using this digital coupon, that's the $3 off of one for CoverGirl face products. We have a lot on clearance right now. We had an IBOTTA rebate, I think Sunday, Monday, but it's since vanished. But buying one of these items at $4.79 with that $3 digital, it's going to be $1.79 for a product that's, like $8-9. Whatever you might want, concealer, lots of concealer actually. I would pick one up. And Checkout 51 also has a similar rebate, so you can get up to 2. You'd have to photograph your receipt for the second. All of these eye ones with this 3 off of 1, my store had nothing. Bubkiss. So I couldn't make anything happen with this digital coupon, so I just left everything at the store. And then just to show you, Checkout 51 has 1 for the eye and 1 for the face. And even though I used a coupon on one item, I actually grabbed 2 foundations. So I was able to claim the second one successfully with the Checkout 51 app. And that's the one app that you want to be really careful to not use digital coupons with, because they're very quick to say, no, we're not accepting your receipt. 50% off. We currently have a CoverGirl. It's like a lippy and then the lipstick. So from $8 to $3.99. We don't have any digital coupons or any Ibotta magic or anything to go with. So when the coupons show up, it's usually $1 for these lip products. Hopefully it's 75% off. Wouldn't that be nice? And what I love about CoverGirl is see how the plastic encapsulates the lipstick so people can't sample it in store, because I don't know why at Walgreens I often pick up lipsticks that people swatch and stuff, which is disgusting. So I love the fact that CoverGirl puts it in a sealed container like that so people can't get into it. We're looking at this L'Oreal Magic BB Cream. There was 2 that were 50% off at $6.79. We have a $5 off of 1. And that is deemed as a cosmetic product because it's a product that you put on before you put on your foundation. And then we also have this store coupon. Now, in theory, this should have worked, but it didn't work for me. And I know a lot of you are going to agree with what I'm going to say here. So one of these at $6.79, the store coupon came off. The manufacturer didn't. So I had to call customer service and they just credited me the $5. It's been happening a lot with digital coupons not coming off for whatever stupid reason. But it was 79 cents after everything is said and done. Often you should scan to see if it's going to work, but for whatever reason that's been happening more often than not. And that $5 only for you for L'Oreal did not exclude clearance. So I was in the right. So I just called and right away they gave me the credit. So there is something wrong with the system right now. If you have not been to the store yet, I'm going to show 2 different deals that you can do and roll it from first transaction to the second transaction. And hopefully you can follow along what I'm saying. We're going to be grabbing these 25 counters of the makeup wipes or the makeup removers by Neutrogena. They're on sale for $5.99, $7 register reward when you purchase 2. So how exciting is that? And it must be the 25 counters. If you're going to grab the 21 counters, guess what? Your $7 register reward will not print. We have a very generous 4 off of 2 digital coupon, so please make sure you have this friend loaded for the deal, and it's a very basic one. Okay, so for this first in-store deal, 2 of these Neutrogena wipes is $11.98. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $7.98. Get back a $7 register reward, making it 98 cents for the 2 or 49 cents per bag of makeup wipes, which is a crazy price point. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. And then out of the machine, this guy prints. Here he is, $7, and it printed for me, and the key is to grab the 25 counters. If you're grabbing the 21s, unfortunately, it's not coded properly and it won't print. So just be really mindful of that. The devil is in the details for this, so just be really, really mindful, guys. Okay, with the $7 register reward, let's throw it into another deal. We're going to grab a fancier Colgate toothpaste for $5.50 along with the toothpaste for $4.50. They're on a promotion that when you buy 2, you get back a $4 register reward. And here is the more fancier toothbrush for $5.50. This is the one you're grabbing. And then we're going to load a $4 digital for that fancy dancy toothbrush. And yes, it's attaching to this one, along with another $2 for that toothpaste. So make sure you have these $6 in digital coupons loaded. To our basket, we're also going to throw in 2 whole blends. For $8, you can grab a mix of a shampoo and conditioner or 2 shampoos. $3 register reward when you purchase 2. And for this friend, we have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. Please make sure you have it loaded. Here we are, guys. So this is the second deal I would do. 2 of the Colgates for $10, 2 whole blends for $8 for a total of $18. We have we have $9 in digital coupons, $4 for the Colgate brush, a $2 for the paste, and a $3 for the Garnier whole blends. That's $9 coming off. And then that $7 register reward from Neutrogena, scan that as well. So you are going to pay $2. And then you're getting back a $4 register reward from Colgate and a $3 register reward from Garnier. That's $7 back. It makes a free plus a $5 moneymaker. Fantastic. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but it's just a fantastic deal from 1 to 2 if you haven't been to the store all week and you want to get in on some of these deals. This next deal, if you have an absolute hole burning in your pocket just to burn your last $7 in register rewards, grab $7 of clearance Easter stuff, or alternatively $1 of Easter stuff and $6.29 2 bags of the Doritos on a buy one get one free. You can do either or, just to use your register rewards, because I know a lot of us just forget about them or misplace them, or they get lost in your purse. It's happened to me. But grabbing 2 bags of Doritos for $6.29 and some candy for clearance for $1, that's $7.29. We have a $4 register reward from Colgate, a $3 register reward from Whole Blends. That's $7 coming off. You're going to pay 29 cents for 2 bags of Doritos and some Easter candy. I mean, it's just a quick little flip of those register rewards if you want to do it that way. I mean, I just think it's really smart. And if you have one of these last minute birthdays, until Friday, you could get 70% off of a wood paneled picture custom. So using the code DAYPANELS. So you might want to look into that. Maybe use some Walgreens cash. That's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.